Lita, I hit record. It's time to start. Not again. Emma! Wanna see Mama? Wanna see Mama? Who's that? Is that Mama? Looky there. Look, Lita. It's a little puppy dog.
Oh, is it a puppy dog? Oh, it's a puppy dog. Oh, he's a good girl. You want to make something? Huh? You want to make some cookies? Yes, we'll make some cookies.
All right.
All right.
All right, all better.
Hey foodie friends, we're back again. We're gonna visit our favorite cookbook, but this time we're gonna make a dessert, something called Michigan Rocks. Weird name, but I promise you it looks good. Pretty sure it's gonna taste good because it's got sugar in it. So let's go ahead and get started on that, and we will look a little bit into why these are called Michigan Rocks. So stay tuned for that. Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. First, you're going to chop up your dates. Make sure to get pitted dates, so this makes this a lot easier. Then put your 2 eggs in a small bowl and beat them very lightly. As there are many rock cookie recipes, we're not exactly sure where this one came from. However, best I could tell, this was mostly made at Christmas time. You could also add currants, raisins, cranberries, any combination of those, and even grapes. We do know, however, that these cookies were inspired by the cliffs and rocks of northern Michigan, and especially the UP or Upper Peninsula. Now you're going to add your baking soda to the buttermilk, and as this is going to increase the size of the buttermilk, so to speak, make sure you have it in a large enough container to allow it to froth, bubble, and foam. Now go ahead and sift together your flour, salt, and cinnamon, and enjoy how the flour starts to resemble the snowdrifts that can turn Michigan into a winter wonderland. Michigan was also a water wonderland for many vacationers through the decades. Northern Michigan and the UP can be an outdoor paradise of hiking, fishing, camping, and of course, water sports. My Uncle Steve had a cabin in Prescott, Michigan for many years near Elbow Lake. Some of my happiest childhood memories are skimming across the shimmering lake in a canoe under a bright blue sky, collecting tiny shells on the shore, and best of all, the glorious smell of a pine forest enveloping you in its serenity. As for the last few steps of our recipe, go ahead and cream your sugar into the shortening. And then go ahead and add your lightly beaten eggs. Now you're going to add your buttermilk and flour to the mixture. Add a little of each until both are done. Once it's fully mixed, now you're going to add what really makes these cookies look like a rock. Go ahead and toss in your walnuts and your dates. Or if you'd like to be even more adventurous, go ahead and throw in some grapes as well. Add pretty large dollops about 2 inches apart on an oiled and floured baking sheet. But don't flatten them because you want them soft on the inside. Bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown in a 350-degree oven. So, we got these just pulled out of the oven, basically. Okay, so I don't know if I want to admit to what I thought these cookies were gonna look like, but for some odd reason, I mean, it does look sort of like a rock, like a river rock.
Yeah.
You know, but for some odd reason, I was picturing like...
Around?
No, I was picturing like a clump of like just gravel that looked like it been glued together, like a big cliff.
You didn't think they'd get a flat spot?
Well, I didn't think that they would like round down like an actual cookie.
What if you put two together? Does that look more like a rock?
Maybe, but I just had something completely different.
Okay.
But anyway, okay, but let's go ahead and try.
Let's hope they don't taste like rocks.
Seriously, they smell good.
Yeah, they smell really good. Ready?
Yep, let's go. Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised because I did not think that they were going to taste this good, even. The dates add an extra sweetness to it.
Yeah.
That's really nice. You get kind of like an aftertaste of cinnamon.
Yeah.
In the vanilla.
You get a little bit, you can tell all the stuff that's in it.
Yeah.
Like all of it's very prominent.
Yeah. It's not an overly sweet cookie.
No, it's not overly sweet, but it's still sweet.
Yeah, it's a nice cookie.
It's a nice sweet. It's like...
This would be perfect with a cup of tea.
Yeah.
I would love this with a cup of tea.
Or like a breakfast cookie kind of like...
Yeah, if there's such a thing as a breakfast cookie. Should you be eating cookies for breakfast?
I think breakfast is the best time.
No, we do actually eat cookies for breakfast, and it's really bad. But
I mean, have you seen cereal?
Well, that's true. I'm sure this is better than cereal.
Yeah.
But I'm actually really surprised.
It's really good.
Yeah, I would make these again, especially if I was going to do like a tea party or something like that. I think that'd be really cool. They're perfect for people, there's some people that hate chocolate. Now, I will say I was a little worried about this cookie because ever since, like when I was a kid, I somehow formed this weird belief that if there was a raisin or a cranberry or something like that in the cookie, then that automatically made it a health cookie. And I was just like, and Mom would make oatmeal raisin cookies, and I'd be like, I ain't eating that. Like, that's a health cookie.
I mean, it does taste like healthier than like what I would expect.
Like white chocolate macadamia nut is like, oh, that hurts your teeth.
Yeah,
it's so
it
sick.
doesn't. It's almost like a scone in a sense. You know what I mean? Like it's fluffier. It's not like a flat hard cookie.
Yeah. Well, the dates is what kind of like worried me a little bit, just because I have that in the back of my mind where it's like, oh, this is a healthy cookie, and like I always thought
isn't a bad thing.
It's not, but see, I thought Mom was trying to trick me into eating a health food, and I was like, no, you ain't tricking me. I was like, I'm not eating that cookie because it's good for me. But I was like, if there wasn't...
I wouldn't go so far as to say it's good
No,
for
it's
you.
not.
It's probably not as bad for you
and
as
that
some
was the
other
same
cookies,
thing to me as
like
a
an
kid.
Oreo.
Yeah, but see, as a kid, that was just like, no, it is. But the dates, I think, is actually what makes this cookie.
Oh, yeah. I would not be the same cookie without a date.
No, it's really
I don't think you could substitute them with anything like a... You couldn't substitute them with raisins or anything.
Oh, no, absolutely not. The dates
it's got
makes
like it's what holds the flavor in your mouth after you're done eating the cookie.
Yeah.
You can still taste it, and that's probably just due to the date.
Yeah.
I still know what the cookie tastes like because of the date.
Right. Yeah, it's really... So I would actually make these again.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't be opposed to it. It's like, okay, it's a good, healthy cookie.
Yeah.
I'll put it that way. And so we're 3 for 3.
Yeah.
Of like the best, some of the best recipes we've tried so far on this channel. I would highly recommend these. I'm shocked that I really like them without
really
chocolate or without, something like horrible in them. Yeah, I mean, again, this cookbook has not disappointed at all. I was really happy to try something called Michigan Rocks and be really pleasantly surprised with it.
They're way better than rocks.
Yeah, it does. I mean, the name's cute, but it doesn't really sound appetizing.
It doesn't sound like food.
No. But so there you go. Really hope you try these. Even if you don't live in Michigan, get like a little taste of Michigan Rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And next week, we're going to try yet another dessert out of this one. And this one is going to make use of one of Michigan's prime agricultural products, which is cherries.
Mm.
Yeah, so that's going to be kind of fun to look at
Okay.
and see. So we're going to go ahead, wrap this up, eat our cookies, and we'll see you next time. Bye. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.